Adobe Firefly. In this Adobe Firefly, you can bring your wildest imaginations to life just using text. You can convert and create any photo with just a simple prompt. Let's dive in and create a cool stuff. Okay, we're gonna go into Google again. We're gonna type Adobe Firefly and click on the first link. Okay, here it comes. As you can see, we have multiple options: generative fill, text to image. We're gonna go with text to image. Okay, as you can see, we have multiple images that have been generated by Adobe with the prompt that you can see on the screen. You can bring your wildest imaginations to reality. You have to be creative with your prompt. We're gonna go and write our own prompt and see how we can generate new images. Okay, uh, we'll type a Indian boy wearing a three-piece suit standing on the standing on the street of New York. Okay, now we'll see whether this is the simplest prompt that you can give. We have seen the picture of an Indian boy. We didn't mention the age, so it has by default taken the younger age. Now we can specify the age and specify the suit color or the background, anything that you can possibly think of. We'll give 20-year boy. It will generate another set of images. We can see a little older guy now. We can change it to 30 or 40 years also. We will give 35 years boy. Let's see. Okay. Now we can see multiple images have been generated. We can choose any one of these, and you will see that the left one is probably the most matching that out of our prompt. You can just download it with a single click. It is directly downloaded in your computer to the main memory. Okay, that you can use that picture to, like, anywhere if you want to post or anywhere in the social media. There is no copyright or something of that sort. Now we will see that how downloaded image can be edited. You can increase or decrease the opacity, or you can change the alignment, change it to different filters. We have like enough filters to go around. We have multiple options. Anything that you can, it is inbuilt in the website itself. Like, you can edit and remove the complete photo that you want. We'll directly hit download. We'll download it in the PNG form, best suitable for a image to download. Yeah, we can see the generated image in our main memory like this. Use this image wherever you want. Now this actually it can be used whenever you are selling a course, or particularly for this course I have made a lot of images using same thing. And you can change generate anything you want. We can go for another prompt that you would like. We can write a girl sitting in a cafe with a cat with her boyfriend. It'll you'll see in a second how it will generate. It will give you multiple options. And this is the one AI tool that you can completely rely on creating images, bring your wildest creative thoughts into pictures. It's that exciting. Wow. See, it has given you four different pictures. If you want, you can rewrite your prompt. It has given exactly what you have asked for. You can download this too. Okay. See, you can even remove this watermark of Adobe Firefly in multiple edits. We don't need to take care of that. Okay. Meanwhile, I have another astonishing AI tool that I want to tell you about, Photopia. It's like you can change your photo into multiple backgrounds. You can, edit your photo, crop, change complete background, anything of that sort. You'll just click Photopia in the Google, select where the ratio of it you want to post it in a YouTube or Instagram page, wherever you want. Select the image from your main memory, drag it and post it in the website. Now you can see my pic. I'll just go to filter and try to add on few filters. This is the glowing edge glowing layer, or you can see there is endless filters that you can use. You can see each and every tool is like wow. And you have multiple options. You can categorize it to painting or pencil sketch, or your photo is like painted on a wall. Select anything and you can just directly hit download. You have doesn't have to pay a single penny, and it is you can use it to any of your social media. Like you can see me, it is showing like I have been painted on a wall of bricks, or a glowing, edge glowing. This is one. You can see my Instagram handle. I have posted a lot of pics like this, of this sort. And this, as currently you can see, it is pencil sketch or a pen sketch that you are seeing.
Tired of spending hours debugging code? Want to write cleaner and perfect code? Gemini is your answer. It's like having a brilliant programmer by your side 24 by 7. Let's dive in and unleash the full potential of Gemini.
Okay, so we'll go to Gemini. Gemini is best for editing codes, creating codes, of compiling or debugging. It's best out of all the chatbots, or out of all the AI tools I have used for coding. I found Gemini the most appropriate one to debug and write codes. You can start with a simple code to write me a code to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Kelvin. Now code is created. We'll just copy and go to any C compiler we want, and we'll just copy the paste and run. Code has been generated. We'll run any you type in any temperature you want, and you will get it. That's it. And it's like having a coder by your side. It's helpful to any beginner who is starting out in code, or any professional who want to debug his code or list mistakes he has done. Write a simple prompt again. We'll write to create a game of rock paper scissor. We'll type in write a code in C to create a game of rock paper scissor. It's like building a website, having will be playing rock paper scissor with the interface itself. Okay, copy the code, paste. Enter your choice. You'll choose one among three. You'll choose R. Comprise choose an S. You win, and you can go again. Run as much as you want. Okay. Now there is a like now. We can see we have written a code in Java C language, and we can make it to write in any other language, like we can write in Java or in Python. Okay, we'll write a code in Python for the same game like rock paper scissors. We'll copy this and we'll run in a Python compiler. We'll see how it will run. Enter your choice. I will type rock and computer chooses paper, so computer wins. So we'll write another prompt to calculate tax. We'll give multiple choice. We'll try to calculate how much tax per a particular person will pay if he is having certain amount of income, like 5% for 2.5 and 5 lakh, like 20% above 10 lakhs. Okay, it has written code in Python, and we'll write we want it in C. Okay, it has given in C. We'll copy the image. We'll run it. It will ask your annual income. Basically, you give any prompt, you give any problem or a solution, or like any real life daily life you find, like you can solve it using a code. Just give in a proper prompt to Gemini, you'll have your answer. I think out of all the AI tools that I have searched, Gemini is the one which gives appropriate. It will solve your indentation problem. I'll show you one that at the end. And, yes, I think you're gonna use as a student, as a professional, as a website builder or anything. You give the right prompt, it will help you in creating front end, back end, and solving the long programming codes. It will try to debug if there is any problem or logical problem. If you have, you can check it for multiple incomes, multiple conditions. I've checked it before, below 10 lakh and above 25 lakhs, and it has given the right answer. It will give. We can give ask add a function to ask again and again. I mean, once you have calculated, we'll ask the uh, code that it should ask the user to input the image again and again. Okay, it has added a function successfully. We'll copy it and paste it. Now you can see after you put the income, it will calculate and it will give you a choice like. Okay, now you can see where it is giving choice yes or no. You give yes, you give y, it will ask you to calculate again. You give no, it will come out of the loop. Code execution successful. Now we will see how we can compile a code, written code without indentation, make it into proper indentation, and just by giving the code, it will tell you what the code does. We'll copy and paste, and we'll give make it into a right indentation or something. Give in proper indentation. Okay, now it'll give you the proper code that has been written, as you can see. And if you see the code that we have given, was completely in the single line with no indentation. We are starting from the base, we are starting from the margin level.